This 2024 Forest River Vengeance Rogue Armored 391T145 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 39 feet 1 inch in length. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, front bedroom, loft, mid-kitchen, patio deck, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.